Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you what to do if only one earbud is working in your SOUNDCORE AeroFit Pro. So actually there are only two things to do. The first thing you can do is to try charging your case up to 100%. So get a cable and just plug this cable in the charging port over here. If charging up to 1% didn't work, what I do recommend doing is to open the case and make sure that these headphones are turned on. Place both of them in your ears and hold the button for 5 seconds until you see power on, either here and here. And once done, you can check if both earbuds are working. If they are still not, the only last resort is doing a factory reset by holding this button 10 seconds, just 10 seconds, until you see the light goes off, and you can close the case open and you should be good to go. And if it didn't help you, have to contact the device support because your headphones may be broken. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.